Hello everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we redoing a quick eyebrow waxing routine for 2025. And I have some new tips that I am gonna share with you guys. I've been doing this routine for a couple of weeks now, and it is giving me the most perfect shape, the most fluffy brows. And let's be honest, who doesn't want fluffy brows? So if you guys are interested, keep on watching. I recently got my hands on the Makeup Raw Juice Cleanser, and I love this thing so much. It has become part of my morning and night routine. It's a great cleanser that's very gentle on the skin. It cleanses without stripping the skin of its natural moisture and leaves your skin feeling fresh and hydrated. I have normal to dry skin, and I found that after using this, my skin is perfectly moisturized, and I don't have to apply a ton of products on top of it in order for my skin to feel moisturized throughout the day. If you guys are interested in picking this up, there'll be a link in my description box below. The first step to any eyebrow waxing routine is brushing the brows up into place, using a spoolie. This will give you direction on where the hairs need to go and what direction you're reworking with. Next, take an eyebrow razor and remove any extra hairs that are outside of your desired shape. The easiest way to do this is by holding the skin taut and using short light strokes in the direction of hair growth. This will minimize the chance of cuts and nicks, while removing unwanted hairs. Now if you don't have an eyebrow razor, you can totally use tweezers. It just might take a little bit longer. Next, we're going to focus on the shape. To create the perfect fluffy brow, you want to fill in the sparse areas using a brow pencil or a brow powder. Start from the middle of your brow and work outwards. If you have a big event coming up, or if you're heading out for a night out on the town, I like to use the Stylus Stay All Day waterproof brow pencil. It's super pigmented, and it gives you a very defined look. For more of a natural daytime look, I like to use the Glossier Boy Brow. This is a tinted brow gel that not only tints the brows, but also adds volume and sets them in place. Next, I like to grab my small angled brush and take some translucent powder and fill in the crease of my brow. This helps to define the brow even further, and it also prevents any smudging. We don't want the eyeshadow to fall underneath our brows, so we're gonna press it in using a slightly larger brush. Once that's done, grab a fluffy brush and take some bronzer and add some warmth to the outer half of our face. Be careful not to go too dark with the bronzer because you want it to look natural. I like to use a matte bronzer. If you guys are interested in bronzer recommendations, let me know in the comments section down below. Now that the perfect brow shape has been created, it's time to groom the brows. Using a pair of tweezers, remove any extra hairs that are sticking up or outside of the shape. Make sure that you clean your tweezers with alcohol before and after use to prevent any bacteria from spreading. And then using the spoolie brush all of the hairs upwards and outwards. To finish off the look, I like to grab my Makeup Raw Juice hydrating toner and mist it over my entire face. I love this hydrating toner because it contains 91.8% raw vegetable juice. It's full of antioxidants and it brightens and evens out my skin tone almost instantly. And that, you guys, is my 2025 eyebrow waxing routine. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I've been doing this for a couple of weeks now, and I am obsessed with how my eyebrows look. They're so fluffy, they're so full. I love it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, let me know in the comments section down below if you prefer your eyebrows to be filled in, or if you like them more natural. I personally like to do both, depending on the occasion. And with that being said, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.